Oh, hello guys, it's Kylie, and today I'm going to be making more slime. So now, I've only gotten a big gallon of glue once in my life. Wait, twice. I can't carry it. Wait, one hand. Oh, no, I can't. It's heavier than milk. So anyways, I just dropped my spoons. So yeah. Anyways, guys, we are going to be making some slime. Some slime. So let's get started. So we're going to make a nice green slime. It's gonna be like guacamole. So we're gonna add some of this going on. Okay. Anyways, so yeah. Now I would use this bowl, but it is too big. So like, let's take up so much space for the camera actions. So we're gonna use this. Let's get started. Pour that glue in there. Ooh, okay. That's good. Okay. 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 And now let's see, like, it's a lot of glue. I added a lot of glue. Gonna add a drop. No, 2 drop. Two drop green. Two drop green. Okay. I might need to add more because it might be yellow. Oh, if you add just like 1 drop, it'd be like yellow. You could also make yellow. Yeah, because this is like a lime. Oh. I guess this was like trapped in the glue and it just. Okay, it went in the slime, I guess. Okay, so yeah, it's all over my hands now. I'm gonna go put this away. I couldn't pause it because both of my hands were kind of occupied at that very moment. So yeah. Anyways, we're going to somehow mix it. Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm back and my hands are clean. So let's get mixing. Okay. So it's pretty much yellow, so we're gonna. My hands are wet. So we're gonna add 2 more drops, and I think that should be fine. So we're just gonna close that. You know, I thought just 2 drops was fine, so then I add 2 more. It's probably going to be fine, but you never know. Huh. Okay. Anyways, yeah, it's definitely a really pretty color now. Okay. So we're actually going to add one last drop. Okay, we decided 2 drops and a half. What accident? I wanted to add 1 drop and a half actually, but then we added 2 drops and a half. Okay, it pretty much almost stayed the same color, so we're just gonna go with that. So now we're gonna make some kiwi slime, and put glitter in it. Yeah, only a little bit though, because the black really shows up. I made a watermelon one, and it really showed up. And I put a little too much, so. Okay, we added just a tad more. That was just kind of stuck in the lid. That we kind of just got out. Kind of, I say kind of a lot. Okay, so it looks like Alias. Okay, I'll show you it when it's more thick and has stuff in it. Okay, we're gonna like 3 pinches of baking soda. it needs just that one last pinch to top it off. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I spoke both times. So we just added like another pinch. Okay. This is where my activator was. So we're just gonna add a little more of that. I'm not sure if this is enough black glitter for the kiwi, but we just add just a pinch more. Okay, we added both at the time. They can. Okay, so we're gonna. Why do I say okay so much? Okay, I didn't say okay, so it's better. So now we're going to. We just added a little more glitter. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, that's good. I either say okay or K all the time. I'm some solution. Well, technically we're mixing it. We're not actually adding it. Wait, I'll sing it when we add it. Ooh. I'm some solution. Okay, hopefully I didn't just add too much. Oh yeah, we did it, right? Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, we didn't add too much. See, this is what it looks like. You can't really see the black on the screen, so I'm actually going to add even a little more black. I feel like I'm just going to add too much. Okay, I'm definitely not adding any more black glitter. Black glitter. Okay, this is definitely good. Okay, so now it looks like that. I do not want to add any more. I think it looks really cute like kiwi. It doesn't look like kiwi because it's such a light green of a color. So that's the sad thing. That's the key. Okay. The slime's just messy. I don't. Okay. Of course, it was closed. Okay, so we added just. That hurt my hand. What is wrong with me? Okay, so we're gonna add it on the counter. Uh-oh. No. There's baking soda over here. Sure, baking soda. Okay. This one wasn't ready. And I just put this in front of you guys. Okay, that's better. So, okay, we're gonna try to just. This one was really messy. Yeah. Okay, so I think it's about to start unsticking to me. And there's still some in the bowl, also, which is nice. Yeah, this is like really pretty. It's like it honestly it looks yellow to me, so I'm gonna add a little more green. I think later, not right now because it's like stuck on me. Okay. Actually, no, I don't want to add more green. Okay. So now I have some lint solution all over the counter. It's yeah, okay. Did you hear that? Okay. I meant. No. Okay. So, anyways, I got the slide. Still slime all over the counter. It's still kind of sticky, so we're just gonna put that in there. Ooh, it's a really nice slime. This was definitely the most messy slime I've made in a really, really long time. Okay. Wait, hold on. There we go, that works. This is super pretty. Ooh, it's a really good slime too. I like this one. Kind of going in a fruit ways. Like I just made a watermelon one, and now we got kiwi. It looks different on the screen, but like it actually, now that it's like all made out, it actually looks like kiwi to me. So yeah. Okay. Okay. So I got some weird stuff in my hand. I was just like looking at it, like, what is that from? And it's probably from Fair Dye, but I did not see that before, so yeah. Okay, anyways, let's do some ASMR. Crackle-ankles are good. Poking? Okay. Oh wait, I should have went a good and then okay. Okay, there we go. I don't even try. Okay, and here it is. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.